Hi, I'm Lisa Gibbons. This is my caregiver confession. My siblings won't help. No one will help. Sound familiar? I've been there. In our family, we ended up being really blessed because we all came together as a unit to help my mom as she battled with her Alzheimer's disease. But it was a little bit of a struggle getting there because we didn't know how we were going to react. My sister got depressed, me too. My brother went into denial. I got over busy and a little bit bossy, thinking I could just fix everything. The fact is, all of you are going to bring different skills to the table and you're going to cope differently. So recognizing that up front and knowing that this is going to cause friction in your family, maybe that you've never dealt with before, is the first place to start. Then make a plan. Take some action. This is not going to wait for you to be ready. You can always adjust the plan later, but you can overanalyze this to death. So just say, here's what we're doing. Maybe you're the leader. Step out front in that role and say, this is what we're doing. And then see if everybody can step up. See if it's a comfortable fit. If not, I do encourage you to reach out for help somewhere. Respite is very, very necessary throughout this process. You can't do it alone, and it will become overwhelming. So look for support in places like caring.com, where you'll find lots of caregiver tips and strategies, lots of tools from people who've been there before. Good luck with your journey. You're not alone.